UiPath already had a massive market opportunity, but in recent months, with the rise of artificial intelligence, UiPath's market opportunity is soaring higher. So, in a conference call on June 6th, UiPath management discussed just exactly how UiPath's market opportunity is rising higher than the $65 billion that was already estimated to be UiPath's total addressable market. So, UiPath's CFO, responding to that question from Mark Macron, from Robert Baird, asking about UiPath's market opportunity, responded by saying that our benefit comes in two parts. So the first part is the developer experience. So with the rise of AI, the developer now does not need to know heavy code. Generative AI actually helps to be able to bring that closer to every person. And if every person can code their automation easily, you bring that much more of the TAM into the world. And I find that to be very true, very believable, right? If you're not a person that knows how to code, but you can benefit from UiPath's services, now the market is open to you. Now the market is open to UiPath services for people that cannot code, like myself. I don't know how to code, but there are a lot of services in my day-to-day activities that I would like to automate. And now that the rise of artificial intelligence makes it easier to write in code, I can now use those services. I'm now a potential customer for UiPath. Whereas previously, because I didn't know how to code, I was eliminated. Even if I could benefit from their services, I could not be a potential customer because I didn't know how to code. That was the prerequisite that was keeping me out of the market. So now imagine how many more people, how many more businesses are potential customers of UiPath now because of the breaking of that prerequisite, the unlocking of that prerequisite. So that's pretty big news, but that's only one part of it. The second part is talking about why is the TAM so big? You think about every manual process that exists in every market. Think about how large that is, right? Every manual process that's happening in every market today. Think about an insurance company that's processing insurance claims, whether it be over the phone or through email. Think about customer service representatives processing refund requests. Think about all of the multitude of requests of activities that are happening manually today that require a person to go in there and do those activities. So with UiPath, you can eliminate a lot of those activities. Well, I shouldn't say eliminate, but automate, right? You can automate a lot of those activities and you could get them done at a significantly lower cost, at significantly higher speeds, and increase your capacity for handling those types of activities. You're no longer constrained by the amount of individuals you need to process those claims. And by the way, if you need individuals to do these things instead of automation, you need to have an office to house those individuals. You need to provide them with computers. You need to provide them with work material. So it simplifies things and it makes it so much more convenient for the business, which is why so many more businesses are interested in employing UiPath services to automate as many activities as they can. And so if you just think about your own enterprise, you can come up with millions of dollars or millions of hours of things that you could think of where people spend their time doing the work that can be automated. So generative AI expands these use cases. It expands the number of things that need to be done that can be automated. So for these two reasons, the company's CFO, UiPath CFO, saying that their market opportunity is rising higher than the initially estimated $65 billion. So really good news for UiPath stock investors. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.